Hello, Sci-Fi Face-Off Season 5 Video Audition, Chainsaw Panic. Here once again to apply some makeup on me for your entertainment, and I hope you like it. I did a little something different this time, instead of doing like a prosthetic with like making molds. Forget all that. I didn't do all that. What I did do was something, I don't know if you're gonna like it or not, or if you're allowed to do it or not, but I did it anyway. You know, how many appliances can you apply, you know, and go, hey, you know, look, I applied an appliance. So this time I went ahead and I did fabrication. Oh, fabrication. You don't want fabrication. But what I did do, it turned out pretty good. I allowed myself 3 days to do it. Just like if I were to be on the show and have 3 days to make something, but I wouldn't be fabricating a whole thing in 3 days in the show. But I would definitely use fabrication for a lot of the, you know, body stuff and whatnot. You know, things you don't need to see, but, you know, bulk up things and all that. I've done, you know, body suits, demons and muscle suits, and I started out just like almost all makeup artists or special effects makeup artists, and you know, and the masters. At young age, around 7, I started watching movies and wanted to know how they made the monsters. So I taught myself how to make the monsters. In 2002, I went to makeup school. I learned some things. They learned some things from me as well. I've been working on independent films. I live here in Michigan. It's cold, so I got the beard going. And because of the beard, it's a little bit why I'm not doing a full-on prosthetic, because I just kind of wanted to, you know, have the beard for a minute. Pretty much what I made is a cowl, and then there's like a mask part, and that's what I'm gonna actually be applying. So I made a whole fabricated piece, and I know people don't want fabricated things, but sometimes you can make things, they turn out pretty cool. So my piece I made in like 3 days. Took a little while. I mean, my days weren't, you know, 5 hour or 8 hour days. They were a little longer than that. I'm pretty tired, let me tell you. I like to run it close. The stress of having to get something done in only 3 days to do it, you know, that gives you a little empowerment that, you know, that you achieve that. Hopefully I have achieved that. I don't know, because right now I'm working on the video and it's basically the due date. So that's made out of couch foam, skin with silicone. Yeah, that's my favorite, silicone. And then I did a little paint job. You know, not my finest work, but it will do. So there you have it. See you in LA.